Hey there, Team Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We've got a Heritage 48 rolling out to Virginia today. Going on Man Andrew in Virginia, about to ship it up there to him. We wanted y'all to check it out first. Now, like I said, this is our Heritage model, all right? Our Heritage 24-inch round pipe, 48 inches long, 2 Team Pits Tell Truth thermometers there. This is a reverse flow cooker. And we got top and bottom sliding trays in here. Removable reverse flow plates with handles on them. Pick them up out of there. Clean up underneath your smoker. You got to keep it clean, guys. Pro tip, and girls keep it clean. Now, you see it does have our stainless steel front shelf here. Off-road package. That's our standard wheels and tires for the off-road package. Stainless steel logo there. Check out our Hotbox. This is our 30-inch Hotbox. 5 sliding trays in here. 3/16 plasma cut. I wish I could say laser cut. We ain't got a laser table though. We got a good old plasma table because we're country boys with our CNC plasma. 5 sliding trays in here, 1,776 square inches of cook space, guys. That's because we love America. Guess what? America loves us. America's #1 pit builder, baby. Now on the firebox, this is our insulated firebox. We got a 3/8 thick front door. The rest is fully insulated, double 1/4-inch plate wall, 1-inch insulation in there. Fire management cradle in there as well. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners, and we got the fold down stack to roll in the garage. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call Team G Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.